Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54037 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#ascot. So here I am going to create one different type of table called marks2. Here it contains max, physics and total columns. So all the columns have some expressions here. So all the columns are virtual columns here. So what is going to happen? See here, ORA-54037 table must have at least one column that is not virtual. So here I have mentioned all three columns as expression columns or virtual columns. Okay. So a table must have at least one real column. Okay, a table must have at least one real column. So now I am modifying the table. So I am correcting the create table query now. So this is the valid query. Okay. So keep in mind that all the columns cannot be a virtual column in a table. It contains at least one real column. This is the fix for ORA 54037 issue.